guys, welcome to the Science Lab. So today we're going to be doing an experiment talking about conductors and insulators. So to do this experiment, we need 6 different cups or types of holding material, and we're going to use hot water. I'm actually currently boiling the water, and then we'll also be using a thermometer. We're going to place the water into each different cup, and we're going to let them sit for 5 minutes and then take the temperature. Let them sit for 10 minutes, take the temperature again, and then finally take the temperature one more time at 15 minutes to see which one of these cups makes a good conductor or insulator. So the cups we're using are a coffee cup made of ceramic, a metal drinking glass, a child's plastic cup, an insulated plastic cup, a glass cup, and then finally a styrofoam cup like you might recognize from a hamburger establishment like Sonic or Whataburger. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so the temperature is starting at about 200 degrees-ish. I've just finished boiling it, so we're gonna go ahead and add it into each cup, and then we'll take the temperature for the cups. Okay, so I'm just measuring 1 scoopful. It's about 50 milliliters of water per cup. You can see that the water is very hot. So again, if you're gonna do this at home, make sure you have an adult help you. Water is very, very hot. Boiling water. 2 more cups to go. And our last cup. All right, let's take the temperature of each cup, how hot the water is in each cup. We'll start with the mug first. So the water in the mug is measuring at 100, and we'll call it 170 degrees. The water in the metal cup is measuring 170 degrees. Same for the plastic cup, about 170. For the insulated plastic cup, same. For the glass, same. They're all measuring about 170 degrees, which is about right, as the water has cooled down some as we've removed it from the pot. Okay, so we're gonna set the timer for 5 minutes, and we'll be back to check the temperature of each cup. See you in 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, so let's take the temperature of the coffee cup. The temperature of the water is right about 110 let's call it 120 degrees. We'll round a little bit. In the metal cup, the temperature is showing about 135 degrees. In the plastic kids cup, temperature is about 139 degrees. In the insulated plastic cup, 143 degrees. In the glass cup, temperature of the water is 122 degrees. And then in the styrofoam cup, the temperature is about 140 degrees. Okay, and our water that's still in the pot, in this metal pot, is still at 100 and we'll call it 160 degrees. So it's still very hot in this water. All right, we'll be back in another 5 minutes and check again. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes, so let's take the temperature again, starting with the coffee cup. The temperature has dropped. We're down to about 103, 105 degrees in the coffee cup. In the metal cup, the temperature is 118, so it's dropped a little bit. In the kid plastic cup, the temperature of the water is 118 degrees. In the insulated plastic cup, temperature is about 125 degrees. In the glass cup, we're going to call that 110 degrees. And then finally our styrofoam cup, we're at 119, 120 degrees. We'll call it that an even number. Our metal pot, the water is still registering fairly high at 144 degrees. Okay, we'll be back in 5 more minutes. That'll make 15 minutes total of letting our cups sit, and we'll see what the final temperatures are. Okay, we're back. This has now been 15 minutes, so let's check our temperatures in each cup for the final time. So in the coffee cup, the temperature is holding at 95 degrees. In our metal cup, (107 degrees. In our child's plastic cup, our kid's plastic cup, 106 degrees. In our insulated plastic cup, 115 degrees. In our glass cup, 101 degrees. And then finally our insulated cup, reading with a temperature of 109 degrees. Okay, so what is our pot water still at? (132 degrees. Okay,